First thing we're going to do is take the glove compartment out, and we're going to squeeze this side and the other side, and that popped right out. That was too easy. And if you look in here, you're going to see two motors. That one, that's for the blower, I believe, and that one in there. So that's what we have to get to. I don't know what this tape is. So there's an 8mm bolt right there, and there should be another one too. Let's take a look at this. So there's two holes, so there's two 8mm, and we're gonna have to figure out, I guess I gotta take this cover off here and move the wires to get in there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to get this cover off of here. It looks like it's a wiring harness protection, and there's a little clip. So we're gonna try to get that off with a wiggling it out. I might have to use a screwdriver or cut that clip. I just need access to that other bolt. That's the only thing. Very difficult time to get this wiring harness out. So what I'm going to do is reach in there with an 8mm air ratchet. I can get that one out no problem. Try to sneak that one out. It's way in the back there. I was able to get it out with an air ratchet and a small 8. It's very hard to get in there. Some of these are more easily accessible, but this one was very difficult. I disconnected the wire from here, and now I'm going to plug the new one in and then screw it in. So I also took this down so I can release this clip here, so I can move this thing around a little bit better. I got it in there. Very difficult on this one. Connect that wire, but I got it done. Actually connected through here and then slid everything down the top of this wiring harness. Like I said, a lot of them don't have this wiring. So when you put this back in, you can see these splines only fit a certain way. There's one missing right there. So you have to kind of fit it in that way into the door that way. So it's just not going to go in anyway. It's got to go in a certain way.